Good morning. I hope you are good and safe. Today I am going to explain you the summary of chapter number 1, The Lost Child, written by Mulk Raj Anand of our English book Moments. In the story The Lost Child, the author tries to explore the mind of a child. This story also highlights a child's love for his parents. It is the festival of spring, and everyone in a happy mood is going to the fair. The child is going to the fair with his parents. He is very happy and excited. On the way to the fair, the child enjoys every moment and gets fascinated towards natural beauty. The child wants to play, climb trees, catch the dragonflies and butterflies, but again his parents won't let him to do any of this. In the fair, the child is attracted towards sweet displayed in the shop. He wants burfi because burfi is his favorite sweet. He feels attracted towards the garland of gulmohar, but his parents resist him from buying anything. The child sees a snake charmer. He likes music played by the charmer and wants to stay there for some time, but his parents do not approve. As the child moves on with his parents, he sees a roundabout. Then he says, "I want to go on the roundabout. Please, father, mother." Now this time, the child gets lost in the fair. After requesting his parents boldly for a roundabout, the child turns back. But to his surprise, no sign of his parent is there. He searches for his parents here and there. The child realizes that he is now separated from his parents and he is lost. He starts crying bitterly. There is a big crowd and the little child tries to make his way between the feet of people. After hearing the cry of the child, a gentleman, a kind-hearted man, lends a helping hand to him. This gentleman offers him everything that he wanted earlier and offers him joy rides in order to console him. But the child wants nothing. He wants none of them. Instead, he longs to meet his parents only. In this story, the lost child is the central character who gets fascinated with the item at the village spring fair and loses contact with his parents. He becomes heartbroken, loses interest in everything, and cries for his parents. Parents keep on asking the child to remain with them, but are careless enough to lose him at the fair. And third character is the kind-hearted man who found that lost child. He is a very helpful person who tries to distract the child by offering him many things, but he fails. This was the summary of chapter number 1, The Lost Child by Mulk Raj Anand. Thank you.